Welcome to the 5th episode of Model Car Memories. The first 4 have been American cars, so I've got something new here. It's a Triump TR3. Doesn't really have a lot of damage to it. I've got one of the custom bumpers is missing, half there. But the top does come off. I think I'll have to glue this back together after I clean it. But there's the model right there. And then underneath, do have some writing in there. I see a thin scale model by Hubley, Lancaster, Pennsylvania, made in the United States. Approved and authorized by Standard Triumph, Coventry, England. So we got that. And this one, actually, there's a side here. Still got the box for this one here. Move the camera up. So this is actually a 4-way kit. So you can do a stock, rally car, road racer, or custom car. So I think the way my stepdad did it was kind of a mix between the two. Kind of like there's an old jet plane there off to the side. Here's stuff riding around. This one's actually been turned into a parts box, so there's parts from other things in here. So Hubley kit number 151K-150. Decals. I haven't found the decals yet. It might be in the box of decals. I'll have to show you all that on another video. So that's the box for it. Hey, it's new. Look there, new sticker on it. So that's that. So this one will just be a cleaning and then just a slight repair on it. So also, this thing comes with a little lemon here, a little thing to set up beside your car. So it says TR3 Triumph. So let's see. Let me get this thing. See if I can get this apart here before I start cleaning. This one looks like it's got 2 screws are missing from the front, and then 2 screws in the back. So I'll see if I can dig out 2 screws from somewhere else. I know I got one laying on a bench here already from that I found. Let's see here. Do not want to come out without another little bit of pressure here, pulling it out. Okay, drops out pretty easy. You see there's a piece of tape in here. The chassis is pretty simple here. There's not much to it. You got your fender wells and the bottom part of the molded chassis. There's the top, there's the inside. I didn't paint the inside there. Let's see, I'm probably look for, see if I can find the front bumper somewhere else. It looks like it might have screwed in there to hold in place. Then there's the interior. You got a brown on brown. Rear view mirror sitting up on the dash. So okay, I'm going to clean this up and then come back to you on this. Okay, I've got everything cleaned up. The chassis cleaned up pretty good. Tires weren't that dirty. The bottom of the chassis wasn't that dirty. The interior, had to do it twice. Took a while to get everything out of the nooks and crannies there using the cotton swabs. The glasswork cleaned up really good. On the top, top wasn't ever painted, so it was still the molded white. So I used a cotton swab and then liquid Comet, kind of put in it, kind of avoided the painted areas around the edge there, but it had some brown spots on it. All that's gone now. The car, there's a couple spots that were on the front and on the back. They just wouldn't come off. Normally I'm cleaning this with a mild detergent solution, but I did get out the mean green and using a Q-tip, just using that, but it's started noticing the Q-tip turning a little green, so it's starting to take the paint off. So I just stopped doing that. So now I'm going to put some oh, there's one little spot right there I missed. I'm going to double check this, make sure all the dirt's off in the nooks and crannies here. I've got some liquid turtle wax. I'm going to put that on the body before I do the final assembly here, and just give it a little protection, shine it up a little bit. Like I said, this one was still hand painted, hand brushed. It wasn't spray can, so you can see all the thing. Actually, you can see a little looks like a piece of the bristle brush right there in the paint. That's in there for good. So I'm gonna shine this up and start assembling it here. Okay, here you have the completed model, cleaned up, shined up as best as it could. I'd say this is a Hubley kit, TR3. Take that off. Show you the inside. So again, thanks for watching. Like I said, try to come out with these at least twice a month here. Make sure you subscribe so you know when they're coming out. Also, I'm on Instagram under Model Car Memories. I'll show a couple before and after pictures here and there, just so you can see what's coming up and see some detail of what's already happened. And then you know, share this with your friends. Thanks a lot.